Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to transfer files from one Google Drive to another. Let's dive right in. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, find the file you want to share with another account and select it. After selecting the file, right-click on it, hover over the Share option, and then click Share again from the menu that appears. A pop-up window will appear. In the text box, enter the email address of the second Google Drive account and click the Send button. After sending the file to the other Google Drive, it's time to transfer ownership to the second account. To do this, select the file again and right-click on it. Hover over Share and select Share from the mini menu. Under the text box, you will see a section called People with Access. Next to the second drive's email address, click on the drop-down menu labeled Editor. It will prompt a menu where you can choose Transfer Ownership. Click on Transfer Ownership and then send the invitation. Once the person using the second Google Drive accepts the invitation, the file will be transferred to their drive, and you'll have successfully shared the file from one Google Drive to another. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.